And you see, this is beautiful. Maybe about more than 2 kilograms for this one. Very powerful frog-like bait here. Wow. Thơm nào. Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today video I will show you how I get some big snakehead fish here. Today afternoon I got some free time for about 3 hours, so I come out to the field to do casting. So first time I spent about almost 20 minutes to get the first bite. I am very lucky today because I come to fish here with only 2 baits, and after casting for about 20 minutes, first fish is bite and get good size one. Big one, beautiful. With the wow, it's a big one. The second fish is big. His weight is 2.35 kilograms, but I did not record it on time due to phone temperature. It's hot, it's high, and then it turned out. So I just recorded later on the fish on the land, so you can see here. And you see, biggest fish today ever caught. This is beautiful. Maybe about more than 2 kilograms for this one. Very powerful frog-like bait here. Wow. Thơm nào. Oh, too close, this one. Yeah, maybe 2 kilograms. Huge one. Wow, and very powerful frog-like bait here. My goodness, first time ever caught the big one.
Here's the third fish today. Usually one frog bait got 3 fish, but it's the smallest one. Man, ទឹកនំស្អែកជុំគ្នា2 គីឡូហើយទៅនេះធំមកណាស់ថ្ងៃនេះម៉ែវាអត់ទៅធ្វើការឲ្យបាំងមកបាក់ So after fishing for about 1 hour here, got 3 fish. A small one, big one, and this is huge one. Oh, first time ever caught big fish like this. Wow. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you next video.